This is Luke and Total Parts Pro today with a 2020 Volkswagen T Cross, stock number 6787. This ran from the 1st 2020 to the 3rd 2024. It has a DKJA 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a DKJA 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand guard, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,